In Google Photos, have you ever tried to add a photo to an album and had a hard time finding that album? Up till now, there has been no search for album feature. Now there is. I'm Chris Guld with Geeks on Tour, and let me show you this new feature. First, on my Android, here is the Google Photos app, and let's say I have this really nice photo of a sunset I took just the other day. I want to add it to an album called Sunsets. I swipe up, add to album, and now if it was one of my most recent albums, no problem. But I'm talking about an album that's way back here. Now there is a search all albums feature, and I just type sunset and it shows me all of my albums that has the word sunset in the title, and it's this Chris Best Sunsets that I want to add it to. Done. Now that may seem like a simple thing, and I agree, but it's a feature that has not been there up until just now. Now that was my Android. I want to show you it is on the iPhone as well. Here is my iPhone, Google Photos, find that sunset picture, and add to. Now there's a difference. On the iPhone, you have to tap this add to plus button down the bottom, and then album. But once again, you have this list of my hundreds of albums. I can search for sunset and see all of my sunset albums. Add a photo to a past album and search for that album.